Hello everyone, welcome to JamPre. My name is Lucian and today I'll show you how to create a basic outline effect in Krita. Whether you're working with text, shapes or any other layers, this technique will help you make your elements pop. So let's get started. First things first, I've already prepared a canvas with the height of 720 and a width of 1280 pixels. I've also created a simple background to work with, but feel free to use any background you like. Next, I'm going to create a new text layer. You can do this by selecting the text tool from the toolbar and then clicking anywhere on your canvas to type in your text. Don't worry about the style for now, you can customize it later to fit your design. Remember, this technique works with any layer type, not just text. Now let's add the outline to the layer. Right-click on your text layer in the Layers panel and then select Layer Style from the context menu. In the Layer Style window, enable the Stroke option. This is what will create the outline around your layer. Here you can adjust the stroke settings to your liking. For this tutorial, I'm setting the size to 10 pixels. This will create a nice bold outline around your layer. To make the outline more interesting, I'm changing the blend mode to hard light. This blend mode interacts with the background colors, giving the outline a more dynamic look. Next, let's create a custom gradient for the stroke fill color. You can do this by clicking on the color box and selecting gradient from the options. Once you're happy with the look, click OK to apply the changes, and there you have it, a beautiful outline text layer in Krita. Wow, doesn't this look like a clickable YouTube thumbnail? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you use this effect in your own creations or projects, or maybe even perfected it, feel free to tag us in your posts because we'd love to see what you've made. If you have any open questions or maybe ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below because we definitely read them all and answer and everything. And last but not least, have fun creating. Am I right? Bye bye.